COP26 stands for Conference of the Parties. The 26 comes into it because it is the 26th year that this important event has happened.
I think that they haven't done very much and they could have done more because they're putting off the bigger decisions that they have to make.
Not very positive. We all need to agree on something and we haven't. We need to waste less coal and oil, and the big producers of them haven't agreed to that.
I think that the deforestation to be taken down by 2030 is a definite reach and goal that we should be taking. I'm really glad that this decision has been made.
I think that more animals are becoming endangered and will become extinct in a period of time because we are cutting down more trees.
I think that some countries are just avoiding it till like COP27 or COP30 and they're trying to avoid doing that much, and I think they could do much more if they really dedicated to it because it's a very important thing.
I don't think they're good because deforestation causes more carbon dioxide to go into the planet.
If I could change anything, I would probably change the stopping coal time. I would make it much earlier because by the time they get to that year, then all of those MPs will have retired and other MPs probably won't know what to do as well as them. So I think that's a bit irresponsible of our government. But also, coal is 30% of climate change, so I think if we reduced that to maybe 2030 when everything is happening, then that would be a better time.
I feel like they could have stayed longer, like the world leaders, maybe a week or so. They should have pledged to waste less oil on cars and start more electric cars and stop using coal by 2025.
I think they should do the bigger decisions quicker because otherwise they won't be able to make them as the world will just change.
I would have stopped talking about it and actually acted as soon as I knew how we were going to fix it.
If I was one of the world leaders, I would have not left Glasgow as quickly as we could because then we could have made more decisions.
You can recycle, and you always have to turn the electricity off if you're not using it. And you can't throw plastic into the ocean because it's not only harming the earth, it's also harming the animals that live in the ocean.
Reusable shopping bags when we go food shopping instead of using new ones.
Unplug all devices that use electricity because 75% of the electricity comes when the device is plugged in and not when you're using it.
At home, we could start recycling more of our milk bottles and not wasting our food as much as we do. We could waste less food and recycle plastic more.
We can think about our actions and use less water and we use more stuff.
We can use less single plastic bottles and use recyclable ones at home, maybe made out of metal or non-single use plastic, and fill it up at home. We can also not bring unhealthy snacks into school because the majority of them have plastic wrappings and that is very bad for the oceans. We need to turn off lights when we go out the room.